Ready to turn your next YouTube video launch into a full-blown event? First, head over to YouTube Studio, the control center for your channel. You can find it by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the Create button in the top right corner, click it, and then select Upload Video. Now choose the video file you want to premiere from your computer. While it's uploading, you can start filling in all the important details like your title, description, and tags. Scroll down to the visibility section. Instead of selecting public, choose schedule. This is where the magic happens. Pick the date and time you want your video to go live. Make sure to toggle the Set as Premiere option to on. Now you can customize your premiere. YouTube lets you choose a theme to add a bit of visual flair to your premiere watch page. Select the one that best fits your video. And that's it. When the premiere time arrives, your viewers can watch together, chat in real time, and share the excitement of your new video. Premiering your videos is a fantastic way to build anticipation and connect with your audience. So go ahead, schedule your next premiere and launch your video in style. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.